This is Pam Abu Bakr, a civil engineer alumnus from AUIS. In 2022, my research paper for graduation was published in an international journal called Structure. My paper was focusing on efficient model to evaluate cement content and its impact of its compressive strength. My research paper got an impact factor of 4.01. I'm excited to share that just last week, my research paper was ranked the first place among 18 universities evaluated by the ACI Kurdistan Chapter. This recognition is a testament not only for the hard work and dedication that my supervisor, Dr. Ahmed, and I put into the research, it's also for the high standard and mentorship that AUIS provides to its students.
5 of our capstone project in engineering department have been selected within the top outstanding and excellent papers by that evaluation made by the sponsor group of ACI. ACI is an American Concrete Institute, largest international organization standard evaluating this work.
My name is Ahmed Khalil Muhammad, a senior civil engineering student at AUIS. I'm excited to share my research paper that had been awarded by the ACI Kurdistan Chapter and the Kurdistan Engineering Union with an excellent recognition. My study addresses the environmental impact of cement production by exploring the eco-friendly alternatives.